Do you find it hard to focus when you work or study? The Pomodoro Technique can help you work smarter, not harder, by breaking your tasks into short, focused sessions. Here's how it works. First, choose a task you want to work on. It can be anything: studying, writing, cleaning, or even coding. Next, set a timer for 25 minutes. This 25-minute block is called 1 Pomodoro. During this time, work only on your chosen task. Avoid all distractions like your phone, social media, or emails. Just focus completely on the task. When the timer goes off, stop working. Now take a short break for 5 minutes. Use this break to stand up, stretch, get some water, or just relax your mind. After your break, start another 25-minute Pomodoro. Work again with full focus on the task. Once you complete 4 Pomodoros, that is 4 25-minute work sessions with short breaks in between, take a longer break. This longer break should be about 15 to 30 minutes. This helps your brain rest and recharge. Using the Pomodoro technique helps you avoid burnout and stay productive for longer. It also makes big tasks feel less overwhelming because you only need to focus for a short time at once. If you get distracted during a Pomodoro, write down the distraction and quickly return to your work. This keeps you on track and helps you notice what interrupts you most. You can use a simple timer or apps made for the Pomodoro technique. Some popular ones even track your sessions and breaks for you. To sum up, the Pomodoro technique is: pick a task, work for 25 minutes without interruptions, take a 5-minute break, repeat 4 times, then take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Try this method to improve your focus, reduce stress, and get more done in less time. Start your first Pomodoro today and see how much you can accomplish in just 25 minutes.